In this video, I will walk you through on how to create UGC AI video ads, that is user generated content ads, okay? That you can use to promote your products on social media platforms using a platform called Vosu AI, all right? It has a lot of AI models integrated into it in just one place for your workflow to be enjoyable. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. So here, let's use Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit Vosu.ai. You can see the web link here, Vosu.ai. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once it opens, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. If you don't have an account before, just click on sign up. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Please choose how you want to sign up, maybe with Google or with Apple, or just fill in your email address, your name and your password, and then you continue. But before then, click on accept, okay? So once you do that, this will be clickable. You click and continue with the process. Once you sign up successfully and you are signing, you will be taken to an interface that looks like this. At the top part here are some commands you can select to perform a specific task. All right. For example, if you want to generate image, you click on image option. You'll be taken to your studio directly for you to generate image with any of the models made available for image creation. So there are a lot of AI models you can use. So let's start with image creation. So I will click on image. Here I have been taken to my own studio. You can see that AI studio and image generator is chosen and the model chosen here is Nano Banana. So if I want a different model, I'll just click on this and this will show me some others. If I keep clicking this way, I will see more AI models I can use. All right, so here, let's go with Nano Banana Pro. So I'll see how it works. So I'll click on this. So once you select that particular model, it will be added here. So in this case, I assume that I want to run Facebook ad or Instagram ad. And I want to generate user generated content, all right, which is UGC. Okay, and I need to give this a prompt on how to generate that since I have chosen a model I want to use. So let me write my prompt here and tell it what I want it to do. All right, look at my prompt here. Phone front camera selfie. A young American woman of about 23 to 25 years with gray skin, wearing fitness outfit, walking on a neat road, cool evening, good-looking trees by the roadside with joyful expression. Listen, there's something I want you to take here. First is these keywords, phone front camera selfie, because here we are assuming that the lady in question is holding the phone and looking at the front camera. So this AI tool understands this kind of prompt very well to know the result is going to give to us. Are you getting that? So you can add other expressions that you want before you generate at the end. Now, if maybe you are targeting people in African country, for example, Nigeria, you can have this as young dark Nigerian woman, all right, or any location at all you want to target. Then prompt GPT is used here, and that is beautiful. Then in the settings section, the question is what dimension or platform do you want this video to be placed at the end? After you generated the image and turn it to video at the end, what platform are you going to have it on? And most type of this ad, which is user generated content, is usually viable or viral on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So that's our target. And because of that, we are going to generate vertical image here. So I will choose 9:16. Now, the resolution, what resolution do you want? Is it 4K or 2K? If this is going to be our final image, it's going to be in 4K, but for now, we are still going to alter this image at the end. Okay, so use it to create another final image. That's what I mean. So we are going to go with this 2K option. All right, then output is how many copies of this do you want to be generated at the end. So here, let me say, okay, generate 4 copies for me, and it's going to cost me 304 credits, which is much, but it's okay. It's for best result. Or if maybe you don't want to spend much credits, you can go to 3. All right, so let's generate 3 copies for us. Then after all these settings, click on generate now. So you can see it's working on this project to generate it. And what I like about this platform is that everything is very fast. All right, within a minute, it will generate this image for you. And here we are with our result. Okay, so you can download this for future use, which I will do here because I want to use it in the future. So I'll click on this download button. Then it says whether you want to download only one or all of them. I will click on download all. All right, so what format do you want to download the image? Is it in JPG or PNG? Let's just go with JPG in this case. So I'll click on download. So it has downloaded all these photos, and I will click on allow because it's seeking for permission to download some other more. So let's go and take a look at how this will look like. So I will click on this, click on downloads. So look at the 3 images here. So it's compiled them together. Then if I click on this one, you will see how it looks like, which is beautiful. All right, so let's close this. Then I'll click on this to see how this one looks like. Okay, which is fine too. Then I'll double click on this to see this one too. So it's now left for you to make your choice on which one you want to use. Though I have showed you the 3 generated images in my PC, but if you still want to see it, you can see it on here without you going into your PC after you have downloaded them. And for you to do that, click on the first image. You will see how it looks. Then keep on going this way to see the other images that we are generated. All right, so that's how you access all of them on this platform. All right, so if you feel it is not okay with this generation, you click on regenerate for it to create another one for you. So I'll click on this for us to proceed. All right, the next thing you need to do here is to get the photo of the product you want to advertise. All right, I have already generated mine, so let me show you how it looks. Look at it here. So I want to market this product. I assume that Vosu AI has a picture, a clipper that they sell. So this is not real. This is a fake product. All right, so I want to use that actor AI influencer that I generated to market this product. So let's proceed. If you want to see the prompt I used to generate this, let me show you. The prompt I used to generate that is this: generate a portable clipper for shaving with the brand name Vosu clipper. All right, so identify the brand you want to create. Okay, the name is to be boldly written on the product. Place the clipper on a plain background. All right, so describe it the way you want to get the result. But I assume that you're a real business who wants to market a real product. So you should have the product you want to market before we proceed to the next step. I want us to create that particular product we want this AI influencer to market for us in this user-generated content video, AI video. So I want us to generate it in different dimensions, and we're going to use Nano Banana Pro for this as well. So I'm going to import that product and then add a prompt. Okay, so I'll click on this. Then I will get to the desktop section, click on it and click on open. So it's going to be imported here. Then let me write my prompt. I say generate 3x3 grid of different angles of the above Vosu Clipper product. The reason why I'm doing this is so that when this lady will hold this at the end, it will give us a very good video, because if we have this in just one dimension, it will not give us something sound at the end of the process. So come down to this section, make it to be in the same dimension, have it as 2K as well. Then the output may vary, maybe 1, 4 or 3, but let's go with 3 in this case. So I'll click on generate now. It has come up with the variations that we demanded, and it's placed the clipper in different dimensions as we said or instructed it to do. All right, so if I click on this, I will see the different dimensions of 3 different images. All right, so if I click this, I will see another one. If I click this, I will see another one. So which of them do you think is cool? I think this third one is better. So we are going to download it, and that is what you're going to use when we want to merge the 2 images. All right, so I will click on this download button for it to be saved. Okay, then the format, I want it in JPEG as usual. I'll click on download. So the next thing we are going to do here is to make this lady hold the clipper. All right, then after that, we are going to generate the video of it where she says something good about this particular product. So I'm going to add this photo, one of the ones I first generated, and one of these, and then tell the AI tool to make this woman hold this clipper. All right, so we are still going to use Nano Banana Pro for this image generation or combination. So let's start with adding up the images. So I'll click on this image icon, then look at the AI actor. I'll click on it and click on open. I'll click on image again, then clipper dimensions, clipper in dimensions, that's the one that is in grid and in different dimensions. So I renamed it, so I'll click on it and click on open. So it has been added. So this is image 1 and this is at image 2. So let me now add a prompt and tell it to generate what I want it to generate. And it states, place the Vosu clipper. Why I'm referencing this is for this AI tool to know that this brand is very important. All right, so that it doesn't mess it up, because we are trying to market a brand. So I said place the Vosu clipper in the hand of the AI actor. All right, or you can call it AI influencer. All right, influencer. Okay, match the lighting to return outstanding output. All right, so we want a good result at the end of the whole thing. Another thing you can do to help this AI to understand really what you're saying is this. You know, this is at image 1, so you can help it to know that this is at image 1 by pressing the Alt key of your computer keyboard. It will give you image 1 and image 2. All right, so the Vosu clipper here is the image 2. So I will select that in the hand of the AI influencer, who is the image 1. So I can press add image 1. So you can say anything you want to say and get the result you want to get. So far you are detailed enough in what you want to produce. Then let's get down here. The dimension, we don't want auto in this case. Please let it be vertical, 9:16. So once you select any dimension, the color will do what? We change to white. Okay, that's how you know all these other ones are not selected. Then the resolution, is it in 2K, 1K or 4K? We are going to choose 4K here. The reason is because at the end we are going to use this image generated to do what? To create the user generated AI video we want for the product marketing. Okay, so what you're doing here is combination. Then output, how many copies do you want? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? So let's go to 3 in this case, so that at the end we can choose the one we feel is best for us and use it to create what we want to create. So once we finish setting up all these things, you can cross-check again to make sure that everything is in order. I'll click on generate now. This has been generated, and let's click to choose what we feel is best for us. So I'll click on this. Okay, here is now holding the clipper and is showing the name. So let's click on this. Still holding the clipper, showing the name as well, but it covered it. But when we turn it into video, it may show. So you may need to practice with the 3 generated versions, okay, to know the one that gives you the best result. And here we have this. So this one and the first one looks similar, kind of. So let's go for the first one, because I feel that shows the name of the product very well. So what we need to do is to download this, and for you to do that, click on the download button. So what format? Let's leave it at JPG. I'll click on download. Let's switch to video, because we are going to now create a video with this image, this combination. So I'll click on video generator. So we are now in the video generation mode, and Kling Video 3.0 is choosing. Kling is good at video generation, which is fine, but if you feel you don't like that, please choose a different model. So if you click on this, you see a lot of models you can work with. All right, so a lot. There is 2.6. all right, so make your choice. So I'll remove this, and then I will then bring the image we generated. So I'll click on this. So I'll click on it, click on open. This image has finished processing, which contains the AI influencer and the product right in one. So what I need to do is to prompt this, okay, and look at my prompt. It reads UGC style video of a young American woman walking on a clean road, showcasing the Vosu clipper product into a camera and saying, I never knew this new brand in the market could give me a clean shaving, but it did. All ladies should get this and stay neat. So you can see how detailed I am, so that it will tell this is what I want, this is what I want to promote. The first attention here should be UGC style video. All right, so it has now given this model that this is what I want to create. It's giving it the idea that this is what I want to create. I don't want to create a random video. So you start your own prompt with this statement, then describing what you want at the end. Then in settings, what format, the output do you want this video? I want it to be in 1080p in this case, so that we spend less time in generating it and also less of our coin credits. Okay, then dimension as usual vertical, because we want to market this on social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok. Then come down to this section. What number of variations of this video do you want? Do you want it to just create 1 or 2 or 3? I think it should be good if you go with 3, so that at the end we choose from many. So I'm going to generate this. At the end, I will play the one I feel is better for us. So I will click on generate now. This has come up with the video, so you can click on play for it to play, or you can download it and play it from your PC. So here, let's just download it first and then play it from there. This has been downloaded, the 3 versions of the videos, and all of them are excellent because I've played them. So I'll get to the file explorer. Then let me play this one by double clicking on it.
I never knew this new brand in the market could give me a clean shaving, but it did. All ladies should get this and stay neat always.
So you can pick this video this way, go to Facebook, go to TikTok, go to Instagram, and run your ads. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including how to use different AI tools. So if you want to learn more, consider subscribing so that when I publish a new video, you will know about them, all right? And then use them to make money as well as upscale your business. Thank you and see you some other time.